Fess up. What does it really mean? Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of English slang to unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, fess up. If you've ever been puzzled by it, this video is for you. Fess up is a shortened version of the phrase, confess up. The word, confess, means to admit or acknowledge something, often a mistake or wrongdoing. Over time, confess up got shortened to the more colloquial, fess up. Using fess up is quite simple. Here are some examples. 1. It's time to fess up. Did you eat the last piece of cake? 2. If you broke the vase, you should fess up to it. 3. Everyone makes mistakes. The best thing is to fess up and move on. Notice that the phrase can be used as a standalone imperative command, like in example 1, or incorporated into a longer sentence, as in examples 2 and 3. Understanding synonyms can give you a richer understanding of a phrase. Here are some synonyms for fess up: admit, confess, acknowledge, own up. For instance, instead of saying, "I need to fess up that I lost your book," you could say, "I need to admit that I lost your book." So, the next time someone tells you to fess up, you know they're asking you to admit to something. It's a casual and often friendly way of asking someone to be honest. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting English phrase. Always remember, language is fun and ever evolving, so stay curious and keep learning.